Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to merge the videos in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and click on Create a Design, then select Video. Your video editing workspace will open. Let's use these two videos as an example. Click to add the first video to your page. To add the second video, click the plus icon to create a new page. Then, add the second video to the new page. Now, play the preview. Canva automatically joins the clips. No extra steps needed. To reorder the videos, click and drag a clip to swap positions. Play again to see the updated sequence. You can also hover between the two clips to add a transition effect for smoother blending. Once done, export your merged video by clicking Share and selecting Download. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.